Hi everyone, welcome to Coding Club. Today's going to be our 5th episode and our 4th one doing coding actually. And we are going to be introducing integers, but not the variable yet, because variables, which are ways to store data, we're going to be going through that in the next episode. But we're going to be going through numbers right now. So this one, problem number 4, says print 10 5 times using addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus. So I'm sure you know the first 4 and the 5th one you may be a little confused about, but we'll get into that. So let's create our class. We'll call it print 10, and as always we'll check public static void main, and let's finish. My text is much bigger. I saved the info from last time. Let's put Coding Club as our name. You can put your own name if you want to. And if you want to find the problems, they're going to be in the description, and if you need to download Eclipse or Turtle Graphics, make sure to check out my tutorial on how to download everything. Actually, it wasn't my tutorial, it was my friend's, which I posted on this channel. So be sure to check those out before you watch these videos, and then you can start from the second video if you want to go from the beginning. So let's do this. We have to print 10 5 times, so let's do 5 print statements. Let me just type system.out.println 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So those are 5 print statements. So we have to print 10 5 times. So the first one, we can call this addition. I'm going to be commenting it out because I'm going to show you guys comments as well. So subtraction, when you comment something out, it really means that you are, how do you say it? The code, it's not code, it's just your instructions. Subtraction, no need to enter there. Then multiplication, division, and modulus. Let's finish this quickly. I don't want to waste your time. So for the first one, we need to get to 10. So what's a way to get to 10? We can do 5 plus 5. So under code, you literally just type 5 plus 5, and no need to do quotes. If you do quotes, then what's going to be printed out is actually, this is what's going to be printed out. It's actually kind of funny. So if you put quotes around 5 plus 5, this is going to be the output, 5 plus 5. But if you do not put quotes, the output will be 10, because 5 plus 5 is 10, and you're not putting quotes, so it's not a string. Strings are basically words, but we'll go into that in the next few tutorials where we're talking about variables. So now we're doing subtraction. We could say 15 minus 5, because 15 minus 5 is 10. Am I right? If I am right, it should say 10 here, and it does. Good. So the next one's multiplication. How do I get to 10? I can do 2 times 5. And does 2 times 5 get 10? It does. Let's do division now. Let's do 50 divided by 5. Let's see what 50 divided by 5 gets. It gets 10. And the last one, modulus. So modulus is basically remainder. So if I do 51 divided by 5, I actually still get 10, because division in coding, in Java at least, when you're using integers, it doesn't account for the remainder. So it's just going to be 10. And even if I do 54, and this technically should be 11 because it's closer to 11 than it is to 10, it's still going to be 10 because it just shows the number before the decimal point. So like 10.8 is the answer, but it's just going to show the 10. So different variable types will allow you to actually show the decimals, but we'll get into that later. So say if I do like 54.0 actually, 54.0 divided by 5 is going to be 10.8 because this is a different variable type. This is actually something called a double, but we'll get into that later. So this 50 divided by 5 is 10. And let's do remainder now. How do I get 10 from remainder? I can do 11. Let's not do 11 actually. Let's do 37 modulus. Where's the percent sign? 27. So the way I'm doing 37 mod 27, because 37 divided by 27 is 1 remainder 10, and our remainder is 10, so that's what it is. And another way we can do it is we can actually do 10 divided by 11, because when the first number in modulus is smaller than the second number, this is always going to be the answer, because the smaller number, or the first number, is going to be the remainder if it's the smallest. So these are our 5 ways to get 10 using addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus. So thank you guys all for watching. Make sure to watch all the videos if you want to get an understanding of Java. I'm going to be making these as soon as possible. I'm just going to be quickly churning them out. And make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all later. Bye!